write a resume, you write a list of your jobs, college degrees, and work skills.
A cover letter explains you're interested in a job. You might send one when you see an ad for a job.
Resume.
He's written it. Written. I've done some work. Done.
Cover letter.
No one has told her.
I haven't told anyone.
Who did you send your cover letter to?
Who did you send your cover letter to? Send.
What have you done today?
Have you told Mom about the interview?
I've written 10 emails today.
My cover letter. Cover. Letter.
Email. Laboratory. Arrival.
Resume. Town.
Resume. Reunion.
Town. Award. What time is your interview?
I've done some work.
завжди нагадуєш мені, що потрібно робити правильний вибір.
Еге ж. Саме тому я обрав сімейний план Супер. З ним можна вчитися швидше та економити гроші.
Seal. 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 Seal.
Sit. Sit.
Seal. Seal. Sit. 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 Sit.
Seal.
Seal.
Sit.
Sit. Zeal.
Seal.
Zeal.
Seal. Sit.
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 Sit. Sit. Sit.
Seal.
Sit.
Zeal.
Sit. Dog. Dog.